Hi there, I was nicely inspired by this owl and wanted to see if I can implement its movement with BANanoAnimeJS. So I decided that instead the animation should be built within the element designer properties. We have created custom view elements on the new design system. So I tested with the vImage component to see if I can make this work. I took the basic animation to test, so we have animation duration, animation loop, translate X, and translate Y. We update the vImage properties for the built-in animation to run. We will call the play method for the image animation on mounted. We are able to make it work. With this functionality, one will be able to choose how to animate their elements without much code. Using the abstract designer to specify the animation adds a nice feature to BANanoVuetifyAD3.